This demo is a continuation of a previous demo where we leverage on OpenShift API for data protection to protect stateful workload. In this case, we are going to expand the use case to backup and restore virtual machines in OpenShift Virtualization. We will proceed to backup the Windows 2019 server. From the configurations, we can see that we are using the Ceph external storage RBD storage class, as can be seen from the UI as well. Next, we will proceed to the console. We'll create a text file with content that we will be able to recognize after the restoration. We're just going to write that this is a test for OCPV VM backup using OADP. Proceed to shut down the VM so that we can take a backup. If the VM in the stop state, we can proceed to perform a backup using OADP. We have a YAML file that has all the definitions defined. We'll proceed to create the backup. Go to the OADP Operator screen and we'll be able to see that backup is in progress. Data upload in progress, and we can actually monitor the progress via CLI as well. So in this case, we can continuously watch the upload progress. We have fast forward the video, and now we can see that it's completed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to restore the VM in the secondary cluster. So this is the secondary cluster. We can see that the backup can be seen from this cluster as well. And the data download is in progress. So let's check the progress of the download as well. We have fast forward and can see that yes, completed. The restoration is finalizing, as can be seen from the screen. Completed. This is the secondary cluster. You can see that the VM has been created and restored. And let's proceed to start the VM. So we can see that a new volume has been created in Ceph. The Virt launcher pod is initializing in this case. Pulling images and preparing to start the virtual machine. So now the machine is starting. Let's log into the virtual machine via the Windows UI. And we can see that the text file is on the desktop. Let's check the content, and we can see that it is the same content as what we keyed in the original Windows VM. Thank you for watching the demo.